Woodsong MINIMA 73 RAVE MINIMA 73
Hello.
RAVE.
Wait. Why is there so many? What? Did it duplicate? Hello, everybody. Welcome. Welcome, everybody. Oh, goodness. Did that duplicate? Thank you so much for subscribing, Parma. And let me scroll up. Thank you so much, Katie, for gifting a sub to Night Chill. Thank you. And thank you, Pixel, for subscribing for 2 years. Oh, my goodness. Whee! Welcome, everybody. It's a freaking party. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, God. Thank you so much, Daniela, for the freaking 5 gifted subs. Thank you so much. Thank you. What the frick? Thank you. And welcome, everybody. Today is a freaking celebration day. Today is a time for a freaking party, okay? I don't have parties often, but today is a freaking party day. It's because I have cleaned. And somebody might say, oh, well, that doesn't seem that cool. Sorry, I totally forgot to, like, open all the stuff that I was supposed to open during, like, when it comes to streaming. Because I was doing that cool little dance. If you couldn't tell, I actually I lip synced myself. You know, the redeems would have worked if you just like you could have just cancelled it if you did like a Fortnite dance or something. You could have ruined it. You could have totally ruined it. But welcome. Hello, Ness. Wait, let me log into my thingy real quick. I totally forgot that I have to do things like this. But welcome, everybody. Thank you so much for the freaking hype train. I thank you. Oh yeah, let me put some background music. Okay, that's a bit too quiet. Oh, that's a bit too loud. Ow! Ow! What the freak, man? What the freak? Okay, let me adjust stuff a little. Okay, Okay. Ah! Oh, my elbow! Ow! Ow! Ow, my elbow! Oh, my elbow! Oh, it hurts! Ow! Fuck! Ow! Ow! Jeez! Oh God! Why? Why? But welcome, everyone. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Let me check. I wanna look at it. Nobody has said anything new. I just like I've had this my little okay. I've had my tweet. Ow! Ow! What the frick, man? What the frick? I've had this tweet open that I showed where I showed like the before and after, and everybody said so many nice things, and I just feel so happy about it. And I'm really happy everyone's like so like nice and everyone's so supportive and stuff, and I'm so happy. Hit the funny bone, yeah. Everyone, huh? Almost everyone. Thank you so much. How do I say it? Is it just Stratos or did I say that right? But thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you. Wow, I can't believe, Lisko, you would not be supportive at a time like this. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. But yeah, you know, I'm just so happy, everybody. I did a freaking awesome thing, and I never thought that I was able to do something like this, but I did it. I freaking did it, and I'm proud of myself, and everyone else has been proud of me, and it is freaking awesome, okay? It's freaking awesome, and I'm happy. Aside, really well done. Well, thank you. Thank you. I'm super happy and proud of myself. You know, I'm not that proud of myself often, but today I am very proud of myself. And I'm happy that I can say that. I'm very proud of myself. Gotta clean my room tomorrow. Heck yeah. I cleaned so well. I even like, okay, you don't see this in like the actual, like you can't see this in the post, but I sorted each of those little drawers that you see. All of those are sorted. Like, all the items in that are like, they're all sorted. Let me make this a little bit quieter. What? Does this even do anything? It doesn't do anything. Okay, this does something. Perfect. But yeah, just Strat is fine, and congrats on the clean room. Thank you, thank you. I'm just so happy about it because I wasn't thinking that, you know, I never thought I could do it, you know. I always doubted myself. I always said like, it's too much work, you know. It's too much work. I probably like can't do it. But I did it. I did it. I did it. I did it, everybody. I'm so happy. I did it. I'm a freaking winner. I'm a freaking winner. Ow. Ow. Hello, Logarohatu. Welcome. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. Today we are freaking partying. Nothing too crazy, but I'm just like super happy. Hello, Parma. Hello. Hello. Have a prize? What? A knife in my head? That's rude. That's freaking rude. I'm just so happy about like everyone saying like such nice things to me. Good morning. How do I say? Is it I'm not sure how to pronounce that. But hello. Hello. And welcome everybody. Today I'm probably gonna not stream for super long. Happy birthday. It's not my birthday, but it's a freaking party regardless. What was I saying? Oh yes. Only 4-hour stream. No, I'm a little bit tired today. I'm a little bit tired. I'm probably not gonna last that long. It's not my birthday. My birthday is on the 8th of December. You silly goobers. Drinking all day. What do you mean drinking all day? I'm not drinking all day. Stop saying happy birthday. It's not my birthday. It's not my birthday. For another half a year. Man, it's crazy how fast time goes. Happy birthday, Minnie. Thanks. Thanks, I guess. Wow, thanks everybody. Wow, thank you so much for wishing me a happy birthday. Man, this birthday is surely gonna be the best birthday ever. Which is in half a year. Yeah, it'll be so great when it actually comes. You guys are a bit early. But guys, it's Minnie's birthday now! God damn it! God damn it! God damn it! Happy cleaning day! Stop pitting it! It's not my birthday! Oh no, Loz, it's not my birthday! God damn it! God damn it! God damn it! Stop pitting the message! Stop it! Stop! God damn it! It's not my birthday! God damn it! Fucking damn it! Deleting the message. But thank you for the bits anyway. And hello, Bundy! Welcome! Best time to start the party. Then a little bit early, half a year early. It's not my birthday! It's not my birthday! We're just having a party because I'm proud of myself. It's... Hyvä syntymättömyyspäivä sulle, mulle. Yes, yes! Okay, it is my... is this song in... Is this song in... like the thing? Let me check. Okay, this is a Alice in the Wonderland song. Unbirthday song. Onpas kummallista.
Kun ei kukaan vastusta, voida juhlat aloittaa.
Hauskaa syntymättömyyspäivää!
Syntymättömyyspäivää!
Syntymättömyyspäivää
meille!
It's the unbirthday. Drinking my milk chalice for this milk chalice. Oh my god, that's how you live the life.
Hauskaa syntymättömyyspäivää mulle,
Kelle?
mulle.
Sulle.
Hauskaa syntymättömyyspäivää sulle,
Kelle?
sulle.
Mulle.
Vois meidän juhlan kunniaksi taas kupin kohottaa.
Tuo
Syntymättömyyspäivää kaikille!
Hyvää syntymättömyyspäivää mulle, sulle, mulle, sulle. Thank you so much, Robin, for gifting a sub to birthday joke. Damn it, it's not my birthday. It's not my birthday. It's my unbirthday. Do you understand? Do you understand, everybody? Unbirthday. Unbirthday. Let's see. Is it in English as well? Unbirthday song. I wonder what this is in English.
How very curious.
How very curious. Very merry on birthday. A very merry on birthday. A very merry on birthday to you, to me. It's not my birthday! God fucking damn it! Can I not have a freaking party without it being my birthday, huh? Is that the only legal time you're allowed to celebrate? Huh? Is that the only thing? Is that the only? Huh? Is that it, everybody? Is that it? Celebrate every day? What are we celebrating? We're celebrating... Ignore the chat, it's not my birthday. We're celebrating the fact that I was able to clean my entire apartment and organize everything, and it is a big task that I did today, and I'm so proud of myself. I am so proud of myself. I have not had an apartment / room this clean like since I was a child, you know? Since I was a child. And I'm so happy and proud of myself. So freaking proud also, it looked so good. Thank you! I'm so happy! I'm so happy! Gosh, I'm so happy! Oh goodness! Oh, thank you, Frozen Ice, for giving us up to minute. Thank you! Thank you! Can you sing happy birthday in Finnish? Why would I do that? Is it someone's birthday? Whose birthday is it? A place for everything and everything in its place. Yeah, everything has... I cleaned everything and I'm so happy! I'm so happy! Like, everything has its place. Like, all the drawers that you see in the pictures, they all have, like, neatly organized things and like, even like all the drawers and my closet and like everything is clean and organized and nice, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Where's the lube? What lube? Just because you're addicted to lube doesn't mean that I am. Ah! Welcome! Thank you so much for the follow. You're not addicted to lube, are you? Every birthday party gets better with lube? What the fuck? Why? Why? Why would you say that? Hi, happy birthday. God dang it! The 55-gallon drum of lube. God damn it. God damn it. God damn it. But yeah, like I said, I'm not gonna stream probably super long today because I am kind of sleepy. Unable to unpin this message? Excuse me? Excuse me? What do you mean unable to unpin this? is this possible? I'm deleting the message. It's not even letting me delete that message. What the fuck? Wow. Wow. Minnie has been modded out of the stream. No! 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 God damn it! There is no message for me. Dang it. Oh wait, if it... Oh, well if you guys can see it, then maybe it's not there. Maybe it's already gone. Maybe it's already gone. Or is this my second birth? Have I been reborn? Have I been reborn? I see it and it's glorious. Dang it! Dang it! I hope it's not unbirthing. That sounds horrible. That sounds horrible. But yes, it's a freaking party because today I did a great thing and I'm so happy and proud of myself. Also, Minnie, I saw your post about how you cleaned for 7 days and I'm so proud of you. Thank you! Thank you! That's why we're celebrating. That's why we're celebrating. I'll tell you. What happened? Oh, thank you! Minnie, I redeemed PNG on table. It's in chat channel. Oh, sorry, I didn't notice that. Let me take a look. God damn it! God damn it! God damn it! The only time it's being used! God dang it! Okay, fine! Fine! God dang it! Oh, of course this would be used like this. God damn it. God freaking damn it. God damn it. God damn it. God fucking damn it. Stupid birthday cake. Stupid birthday. Stupid. Stinky freaking. That was freaking stupid thing. God freaking damn it. Okay, let me take a look. I'm putting this on the side. I hate this. It's not my birthday. Not my birthday. Hey, look how well it fits on the actual table though. Look how well it fits on the table. This is just like a side note. It looks like perspective wise very nice. But yeah, god damn it. Seriously, I'm a bit envious. Such an effort. It's just amazing. I feel tempted to give hugs and pats. Heck yeah. I did do a lot and I'm proud. Like it, I think it all worked out or paid off. Yeah. Happy birthday to the Mini Somali, god damn it. It's not my birthday. It's not my birthday. You should be proud. I am. And you know what? I'll tell you what though. Yeah, this is Terraria music. Oh wait, what does that screenshot look like? I wonder. I want to see it. It looks funny, but yeah. My thighs hurt and my back hurts, and my cal. Is it cal? Cal? Let me Google if I'm thinking this. Calves? No, that's a. Is it this calf? Oh yeah, calves. Calves hurt. My calves hurt. Not calf. Calves. You get it? The leg part. My legs hurt. My thighs and my legs hurt. Yeah. Yeah, both of those hurt. Because I've been like, who would have thought that you should actually stretch if you're going to be getting up and down a bunch and like walking a shit ton, whatever. Oh well. Oh well. Her baby cows hurt. Yeah, my baby cows are hurting right now. But yeah, that's something that hurts. So basically you cleaned and worked out. Good job. Yeah, I guess I did. I guess I did work out. It was a freaking workout though. Man. I redeemed something? Wait, are you guys redeeming stuff? Oh, hello. Hello, Lost. I'm sorry I didn't say hi. Sorry I didn't say hi. Sorry if I'm missing redeems, by the way. I don't mean to miss redeems. But I'm so happy, everybody. Like, I know, like, I feel like I talk about this a lot, but basically, long story short, depression at some point, and that gave bad habit, and bad habit hard to get over, and now I have probably not gotten over my bad habit, but let's be real, I am probably, I mean, this is a clean slate, isn't it? I love that you pinned that. Did you mean to pin that? I'm so confused. Also, why did you delete it? That's so silly. It's in the context of stretching before working out and stuff. But yeah, I'm just so happy and proud of myself. I know this is probably not going to get rid of my bad habit of like throwing dirty clothes on the floor, like stuff like that. It's probably not going to get rid of it, but I'm just happy that I cleaned everything. Oh, don't say idiot. This girl's just a little goofy, silly. You wanna clean my place next? I haven't beaten my bad habits yet. I mean, I haven't probably either. I've beaten like a lot of them, but not all of them. What was I gonna say? Are you guys friends? Are you guys... Wait. So are you two friends? Because I'm not sure. That's a bit of aggressive language, in my opinion. I'd say we are. Okay, well, if you guys are both fine with that language, it's fine. But I'm like nervous because if Lisko just said shut the fuck up to somebody random, I would have been like, Lisko, don't say that. That's mean. And I would also be like, hey, don't say idiot. That's a bit mean. Only I can call you guys idiots. Fuck you guys. Okay, I'm kidding. I'm sorry. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. We talk like this all the time. Okay, in that case, it's fine. If it's fine. Oh, don't worry. I'm just making sure that you guys are both okay. I'm just making sure you're both okay. I've been called way worse. Oh yeah, I've told you to shut the fuck up, haven't I? But yeah, kiss, make up. Make up by making out. That's how it works, right? My god, I'm so gross. But yeah. Anyway, about the whole cleaning thing, I'm just proud of myself. You being such a good gal and cleaning a lot made me want to do it also. And I cleaned the bathroom first time in a while, but now it's echoey. Oh yeah, my bedroom is kind of echoey because I don't actually know, because this room has a lot more well, yeah, this room does have a lot more furniture, but the other room is like smaller than this room, but this room has more furniture, so maybe that removes the echo. I mean, there's still a little bit echo, you know, just a little bit. Just a little bit. But yeah, a couple of you have actually said that you might want to clean as well. So let me give you Mini Molly approved tips of good tip. Yeah. Yeah, good good tip of approval, and yeah. I have Thomas. Oh, have you changed your name? I didn't. I don't know if I know if you're the same person. I did change it. Okay, well that makes a lot more sense. Let's go. Oh, okay. Oh goodness. Can you untime out immediately? Oh boy. Oh boy. Yes, but I'll give you my tips to cleaning and getting over a hard burden of cleaning and starting out. Let me tell you, well, the first things first, it's easier if you okay, I don't know if this will work for everybody, but what I did, basically how I cleaned my entire apartment, I cleaned out my floor, right? I cleaned my floor first. I made sure that everything from the floor was gone. And then I put things on the floor or like on my carpet, and I was sorting through like what goes where, like, okay, cables go into this corner, and this corner has like, I don't know, my sticker stuff, and that corner has like my badge stuff. Oh, thank you. Happy birthday 7 months in advance. Thank you. But yeah, so that's how I started. I have a spaghetti monster of cables in my room. Okay, a good thing for that, I do recommend getting cable ties, or not cable ties, because those are like kind of permanent. But I have these. Okay, well, I use them all, so I can't really. Like, you know that like stuff that you like, Velcro. So Velcro strips, right? Velcro strips. Those are really helpful. So I just had I purchased a bunch of Velcro strips, like the ones that are meant for cable stuffs, and I cable tied it, and it worked great. Cable pink fuzzy handcuffs. Huh? What? Velcro strips are such a ripoff? What? What do you mean? What do you mean? Hello, Henu, welcome! Where did you place the mini body pillow? That's in my bed. I mean, what? What? Oh goodness, I feel so stupid now. I feel so stupid. I was like, what kind of Velcro strips do you get? Because the Velcro strips that I get are like very cheap, and I'm like, huh, what are they charging over there? I totally didn't get that. But yeah, my zip ties make spaghetti monster look well groomed. Yeah. Yeah, I don't like to use the, what is it called, like the zip ties, because they're like permanent-ish. They're not permanent, but you know what I mean. Like you have to cut them with scissors if you want the cable out, and I am just I don't want to do that. How you otherwise, cutie? Well, I'm doing good actually. I'm very happy. There has been a couple of I'm sure a lot of you have probably noticed. I'm not going to talk about it too much, but some people have been kind of cringe on Twitter recently, and it has kind of gotten me down, but I try not to let it bother me too much. But yeah, it's kind of disappointing. And yeah, but it's, you can't really help it. What can you do? I just hope that larger creators would be, more responsible. it's funny how it can be such a pooper, truly. But yeah, I try not to let it bother me too much. It's just like, I don't know, some people do things that they know people won't like. Like, they very well know that saying something specific is going to like hurt other people or trigger, as they call it. It's not triggering, it's just like you're like being hurtful on purpose, and that's ridiculous. It's stupid and ridiculous, and why would you want to do that, you know? There's so many other ways to be funny, right? There's so many other ways to be funny, right? If you only have to rely on like saying stuff that like either discriminates against somebody or like hurts somebody, why can't you come up with anything better than that? Like, is that all you got? Doesn't really look good on you. I don't know if that's all you can do. Kind of pathetic, honestly, but that's my take anyway. Yeah, never meet your heroes. They never live up to your expectations. I suppose that could be. The thing is, I had like a poster of one of these people that is doing this stuff now, and I just like, time to take that off the wall. Time to take that off the wall. Hello Z. I actually just put it up before, and it was on the wall for like a second. I'm about to run out of steam, so I'm going to bed. I hope you sleep well. Have a good night. Hello Z. I stumbled upon the drum, and yeah, it's unfortunate. We both the time. Yeah, I put up a really lovely singer. They're called Kiaru Pamapama, and I'm sure a lot of you know who that is. But I'm just struggling to remember who the artist is because... Oh god! Oh goodness, that spooked me. Because I can't find the signature. But welcome, Raiders! Welcome! We're having a freaking celebration party! Yes, a celebration party. Goodness. Ooh, you were doing art? What were you doing? Or like drawing, or I don't know, what kind of thing did you do? And was it fun? Cute hair? Thank you. I love cone hair. I'm so happy you think it's cool. Hello Mini, how are you? I was doing live 2D rigging. Ooh, fancy. Oh, that's so cool though. I wish I could rig things, but I can't really do much rigging. The best I've done is really cringe and funny, but you know what? I tried my best. I wish I could find the video so that I could show you. Oh wait, I do have it. Wait, I want to show you a rigging thing that I did. You're not gonna be very impressed with it. But I want to show it anyway. Because it's kind of funny. Oh wait, I don't have to. I think this video doesn't have any music. So let me find it real quick. It's like really poopy video that I like. This is a scuff model I made myself. A very old model, but you know what? It's fine. Looks kind of cute. It's fine. Let me take a look. Archive stuff. Media stuff. Where the frick did I put it? Where could I have put it? Oh, it's in the videos, isn't it? Is it? Okay, I cannot find it for some reason. I wanted to show this to you so bad. Why? I wanted to show it. No, I want to show it. No. Dang it. It's okay, Vinny, but I want to show you. God dang it. Where could I have put it? I mean, there's only so many things it could be in. Oh, I accidentally deleted it. Haha, check out my buns now. Oh, never mind. Okay, I cannot find it. I tried, but I cannot. But I hope you had a lot of fun. I hope you had a lot of fun, and I think it's really cool. That's such a mood. I always organize and then somehow everything is less organized. Yeah, that sometimes happens. That's a fine way to spend your points. But yes, what was I saying? Also, is it your birthday party? No. This was a redeem. It's a celebration because I did a very cool thing and I actually cleaned my apartment super well, and I'm really proud of myself for that. I know it's probably not. It doesn't sound like much to some people, maybe, but it's a lot. It's a big thing for me because for a long time I haven't had like a super organized house, but now I cleaned everything, like all the little drawers and everything. I'm just so happy. I'm so happy and proud of myself. And I even I called my best friend and he said that he is so proud of myself, and he was like tearing up and everything, and I was tearing up, and my mom was so proud of me. She came here today and looked at everything, and she was so happy and proud of myself. Proud of me, I mean, and she purchased me ice cream because she was so proud of me. Yeah. It's really nice to hear because it's very nice. Mom was proud of herself. I'm sorry, I misspoke. I don't know why I misspoke on that. Good job. Thank you. Oh my gosh, I saw you talking about that. That's amazing. Thank you. I'm so happy. Man, I gotta check out what they were rigging because rigging things is cool. I cannot really do it myself that well. Oh goodness! Thank you for the follow. Welcome. I cannot do rigging very well myself, but I tried once and it went bad. So I know how difficult it is. So I have a mad respect. I followed you so hard you fell off the screen. Yeah. Yeah. I know the struggle, so huge congrats. Oh, what? The cleaning lady? $20 for the cleaning lady. Proud of you. Thank you. What the freak? What the freak? Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you. But yeah, I did used to have like depression and stuff, and I got into like bad habits of like throwing my clothes on the floor and not cleaning. So it just means a lot that I like to myself. I feel like I never thought that I could do something like this. But today I did. I did it. I'm sorry, I'm going freaking goblin mode. I'm going freaking goblin mode. I'm just so happy. And proud of myself. Thank you, Vinny. Means a lot to hear that. Well, heck yeah. I started with a simple slime model, so I've come a long way moving to a human models. Yippee! Oh, hell yeah! Summoned. Well, Minnie's maid is just Lisco in maid outfit. Yeah, get back to cleaning my apartment, Lisco. I'm kidding, I kid. Depression really hits hard on cleaning habits, so even more power to you for beating up those old habits. Heck yeah! Woohoo! I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Man. Hello, Dale. Super proud of you for creating order in your home. Thank you. Thank you. I'm so happy. I keep looking over to like the post I made of like showing the before and after pictures. If you haven't seen it yet, let me show it to you. This is the before and after, and plus it has my closet. You know what? I'm gonna pin it. There. But yeah, basically, it has before and after pictures of like the transformation of my desk area. And let me tell you, it's not just that. Like, the picture that I have taken of that, like, the before picture, that's not even like the worst it's been, right? Like, it's usually much worse than that. But so now that it is actually like legitimately clean and there's like actually nothing extra on my table, I'm just so happy. I'm just so happy. I'm just so happy. I wish I remembered to take pics before cleaning. Would be so fun to compare. True. I mean, I only took that picture because it was relevant to a conversation. So, yeah. I haven't taken a proper picture. But even my closet! Like, I have, I don't know if you're looking at the picture right now, but on the top shelf, I have my Hama beads and stuff. I have my Hama beads, and then on the second... By the way, you can see all my clothes in that picture. That's kind of weird. Now you know everything that I wear. That's kind of weird, in a way. Now everybody knows what I wear. Jeez. Ugh. I'm kidding. It's not. It doesn't bother me. But yeah, I have like shirts and pants, and then like PJ shorts and skirts and stuff. And then on the bottom shelf, I have like towels and my bed sheets. And then we have my weekender bag and like my hoodie. The fuck were you wearing then? What am I wearing right now? I'm kidding. I do have clothes on. I have a nice, really plain looking outfit on. After I got sick, it took me 5 weeks to do the dishes, but I was happy when it was finally done. Truly, you know, I feel like people don't celebrate it enough, you know? Like, if you are able to do something that you have been, you know, struggling with a little bit, you should be proud of yourself. You can be proud of yourself, I think. Imagine having clothes on. Yeah, crazy idea. But yeah, I'm just so happy. I mean, I'm just so happy. Wow, so happy. Wow, I have like everything so well set up, and I'm happy. Gotta celebrate stuff that you're proud of. It doesn't matter how little it is. If it was something that felt like an achievement for you, truly. Happy for you, Mini Truly. Thank you, man. I have such an epic community. Everybody's so happy for me, and like people have said that you guys are proud of me, and I just feel so happy. You know, that's really wholesome. So thank you, everybody. I really appreciate it, man. I'm so happy. Jiva Liva. That's all I can say. Jiva Liva. Man. What am I wearing now? Oh boy. Thank you for the clip, Ness. Thank you. But yeah, how are you guys? I've been only talking about myself today. How dare I? But how are you guys? What are you guys up to? You do know that you earned all the support by being you. That's so wholesome. Thank you. Thank you. I'm good, although I have COVID. Oh, I hope it's not like super bad. I hope it's not super bad. By the way, I should probably mention I went to a concert recently. I'm not going to say where it was, but I went to a concert recently. Sometime recently. Oh. Sounds fun? Heck yeah! Wholesome support is what I do when I'm not recording weirdly suggestive voice lines from streamers. Wonderful. You do great voice lines though. You have a wonderful voice, Dale. I thought it would be worse. Well, I'm happy if it's not that bad for you right now. And I hope it doesn't get to, like, worse. Hope it doesn't get worse. Not much, just chilling and playing Final Fantasy 1 Real Pixel Remaster. That sounds nice. Is that like... I mean, I have never seen Final Fantasy 1, but I really hope it's nice. Really hope it's nice. Crackled for a sec? Oh, what happened to the audio? Did it crackle for everybody? Yeah? It did? That's weird. Just a tiny bit? I wonder what happened. But yeah, I wonder what was I talking about. Oh yeah, the concert! The concert! So I went to a concert with anyway, I gotta go sleep. I have to wake up at 5. 5? Oh my goodness. That's awful. I hope you sleep well. Have sweet dreams. Dream of me. Dream of me. Dream of me. But yeah, what was I saying? What was I saying? Oh yeah, the concert! Yeah, the concert! I went to a Baby Metal concert. I mean, it was supposed to be Sabaton. Probably the main thing. The main thing of the concert was Sabaton. Sabaton? Sabaton? Is that how you pronounce it? I'm not sure. But I went there for Baby Metal. I went there for Baby Metal. Baby Metal. Let me write it. Sabaton. But yeah, I went to a concert. Hello, hello. I'm doing very epic. I'm talking about currently my concert trip. You know, there was something kind of funny happened. So there was this one person that was like, I was at a line to get a alcoholic adult beverage, right? And I was looking at like the concert because I wanted to see what was, you know, because Lordy was like on first, and I was like trying to like peek over the lines and like everybody, like everyone's heads, and I was trying to like reach and look at the stage. And somebody like asked me like, hey, are you looking for something? Like, have you lost something? And I said, oh no, I'm just trying to look at the concert. I wish I was a bit taller so I could see, you know? But I turned back and I was waiting in line, and he taps on my shoulder and he says, I'm not trying to hit on you, but but you have a lovely smile. You have a lovely smile. But the thing is, I was wearing a mask. I was wearing a mask. How would you know if my smile is nice? How would you know? I did actually say thank you. That's really nice. You can't really see it, but that's really nice. I said, wait, how did I say? I can't remember what I said. I said something like, thank you. You can't really say it, but that's really nice. From Ice? Maybe. I don't know. I don't know, but yeah, it was kind of like silly. It was kind of silly. You know, he was trying to be nice, but I feel like, you know, I can't help but to think like, I don't know if that was an honest compliment, considering he couldn't really actually see my smile, but it was nice. It was a nice thing to say. You know, it made me happy. It made me giggle a little, because, you know, it was kind of funny. But yeah. I mean, a guy would react the same way. Same way what? I have no idea. Happy birthday? Maybe you had smiling eyes? You think so? I don't know. Like getting an awkward compliment? Oh yeah, obviously, but it's just, I just feel like maybe he was hitting on me. Because I don't know if it was, didn't really seem like an honest compliment, you know? Didn't really seem like an honest compliment. It's not my birthday, by the way. It's not my birthday. Ow! This was a redeem. I swear. I swear. I'm not trying to scam people. It was a redeem, damn it! He was definitely hitting on you. Maybe. I don't know. Can I have my knife back? No, it's mine! It's mine now. It went inside my brain. I mean, there was the butt and seeing a smile that he couldn't see, so... Thank you so much, Robin, for the bits. It's not my birthday, though! It's not my birthday. Can I have my points back? Did you redeem something? Did you redeem something? I couldn't tell. You know? Well, you can't have your points back then. What the frick? Can I get a slice of the birthday cake? Sure. You know what? Sure. It's your birthday. No, it's not. It's not. Oi, oi! Oi, oi! But yeah, what was I saying? So sleepy. Sleepy. I'm in the screenshot. Whose birthday? Nobody's. Nobody's birthday. Unless... What if you has a birthday? Do you guys have a birthday? Is it your birthday? Next time I'll add I'm pregnant cake. Wow! The nerve! The nerve! Chiba Liba. 10 more days for mine, sadly. Well, happy early birthday! Happy early birthday! You were sus of a dude complimenting you? I was. I think he was probably hitting on me or something. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how to react to that. Maybe he was just trying to, like, make me happy, you know? Maybe he was just trying to make me happy or something. I do appreciate the compliment, even though it didn't seem honest. I do still appreciate it, you know? I do still appreciate it. I have a birthday. It's not mine though. Just found it on the ground. You should probably return that to whomever it is. Yeah. You should probably see whose birthday it is. Hi, butt. Nice smile, young lady. Butt is in, as in like mutta in Finnish. Or mut. But yeah, that's what happened there, and I was able to catch Baby Metal live, and I was so happy, and they were awesome live. I'm super happy that I went to that concert. They were freaking epic, like live. It was cool. It was cool. Awesome. What is the Finnish word mutta? That means butt in Finnish, like butt, you know, not ass, but like butt. Yeah. Yeah, that's what it means, everybody. Not a butt like that, no! Dang it! Dang it! Ugh. Nice to watch a Baby Metal concert. Yeah. I'd love to watch a Baby Metal concert. Yeah, it was really lovely. And they were like, ow! Ow! Like they were dancing and everything, and it was really cool and stuff. There was only like one person that was rude in the entire experience, and that was like some random person who like pushed me with both of her hands, like just pushed me away to go in the front, which is fucking messed up, man. Like that's messed up. You just say excuse me. I mean, I know it's a concert. I know it's a concert and it's like hard to hear, but just be fucking polite. Just be polite. Jeez. The more knives you get in your head, the closer to surgery you get. Right? Isn't it lovely? Isn't it lovely? I'm so sleepy. Oh my goodness. God damn, the more oh wait, I already read that. But yeah. Folks holding knives with greasy hands. Truly. Truly. But yeah, I'm just in general very happy today. And everything has been cool. Like, I'm very happy. I'm very happy. I'm also tired. Oh god! Jiba Liba, I'm tired. Don't tell Minnie that she is Cecil, so she wouldn't want to know. What? 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 What do you mean? I'm confused. I'm confused. Ow! Goodness. Hello? Welcome? Did somebody follow? It's not saying. Read my older message. Mutta. Mutta is that means Gucci in slang Gucci. Dang. I thought it was just like, was it Vita? I don't know. I know, yeah, la Vita. Yeah, la Vita. This song is is this the fruit analysis? Or wait, it's Nintendo Land, I think it's Nintendo Land. Yeah, I think. I'm so sleepy. Man. I mean, I have done a big job today. I vacuumed my entire apartment. Today. And you know what? I don't care what anyone says. Vacuuming is a freaking workout. I don't know about you, but like when you have to like stand on both sides of the carpet and like just like make it like try to like it's just like it sucks too much. Get it? Because it's a vacuum. It sucks. It sucks. Oh, anyway. Oh,
much time lately.
Oh.
MENEMR 7
What was that? What was that? Oh my god, did you see that? I swear that was a fucking glitch! Oh my god! Oh my god! Did you see that? Was that the middle finger? I can't tell. Did you see that? Did you see that? I'm so sorry, Kesso! I didn't mean to fucking flip you off! Oh my god! What was it tracking? What was it tracking? What the fuck?
Yeah, fuck shit, bitch,
Oh my god! Oh, that's how I get greeted. Oh, I'm sorry, Kesso. I'm sorry. Oh god. Oh my goodness. How did that happen? Was that really the middle finger? Was that the what finger was that? Was that really the middle finger? Oh my goodness. But thank you so much, Kesso, for subscribing, man. 2 years and a tier 3. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And please don't worry. Please don't worry about not showing up. I know you have like all the renovation stuff and everything going on. I need to watch this. I need to watch this immediately. Is it the middle finger? It is! What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? It's just like such a wholesome, like, oh, sorry for not being here, and then it's just like middle finger. I cannot believe this. What the fuck? What the fuck kind of tracking error is that? What the fuck kind of tracking error is that? Oh my goodness. I can always get a new... Ow! You dropped your new knife? You're kidding me. I'm confiscating your thing. Dang it, not again. It's mine now. It's mine now. Ever sure it was. It would be so rude if I just like... It's so bad, like, with the context. Like, guess I was here like... Oh, sorry for not being here, and then I'm just like, yeah, sorry for not being yawning and freaking showing the finger. That's awful. But okay, for real, you can tell, like, you can tell when it's an error, because usually when I use my actual hands, they're like at this position, and if they're lagging, they're probably at like somewhere like this. Because there's no reason for me to do this normally. Hello. 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 Can I how far can I go up? Woo! Woohoo! Do it for real, for science. Let me try. Can I do it? I'm trying. It's sometimes... There we go. It's sometimes a little bit finicky, if you know what I mean. Well, you are the only person that got flipped off today, so yes, you are special. Gotta get ready for sleep, but don't worry, I know you like me at least a little bit. Oh no! I do like you, I'm sorry. I hope you have a good sleep, Kazo. Thanks for popping in. Thanks for the sub. Thanks for the sub. The fact that I yawned too, it's just so bad. It's just so bad. Like, if I hadn't like yawned, like, because I was yawning and I closed my eyes for just a second, and as soon as I opened them, that's when I was flipping you off. Dang. Such a coincidence. I swear I didn't do it on purpose. I think you can tell, like, if I would. Like, I don't think... Could I do it all of a sudden, like, super quickly? I guess I could, but you can still see it. like if I put my hand in front of my like phone, it's just gonna stop tracking as well. So yeah. Making my face lag. It looks funny. It looks funny when it does that. Looks kind of funny. Kind of silly. But yeah. But yeah. I see no difference. You don't? You don't? Also, what was I saying earlier? Something about the... I can't remember. Something about the concert. I don't remember. Very sleepy. Very sleepy. Tomorrow I have a special stream. I have a drawing stream with 2 special guests. Special stream with 2 special guests. I feel really bad that I haven't been able to like advertise this stream a lot. Oh goodness. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Grim, for the bits. Thank you. Let me check what the music is. One moment. Let me check for you. I think this is... Wait, what? Wait, what? Oh, goodness. Oh! Happy mouse, happy chat. Thank you so much, Kenzo. I feel terrible. I feel terrible that you're giving me $5 and I just like flipped you off earlier. I feel terrible. Super Mario Bros. 3, is it? Oh yeah, you're right. Oh wait, are you right? Okay, I think they have messed up the... Okay, let me share this music that I'm using. Here you go. This is the mix that I'm using right now. This is basically... I hope you have a good sleep, Kazo. But yeah. I did thank for the sub, I think. I'm pretty sure. Did I? Didn't I? Did I not say thank you? I thought I said thank you. Did I not? Yeah, it is the Smooth Brain soundtrack. It is! But it's very nice. Technically Nintendo music is not okay to use because Nintendo is cringe, but I don't know. I don't think they would notice if a little old streamer like me used a little old Nintendo music. Surely they wouldn't notice, right? Surely they wouldn't notice. Now she's calling us smooth brains. Smooth brains. Stinky smooth brains. This music is good for you. I'm sorry. It's for me. I'm sorry. Many tempting danger. Truly. But what was I saying? I was saying something about something. Oh yeah, the special stream. Tomorrow I'm gonna be drawing with a special 2 guests. And they... Should I? Not... I don't know, is it... I guess it's better late than never. But I am going to be streaming with Droslaw. The Droslaw boys. They are both very good at drawing. They're wonderful. And I'm so excited to have them on my channel and introduce you guys, because Man, they're both so awesome. They're both so awesome, and I wish I could have put as much effort into like the streams as they put. I don't know if I can like do as good when it comes to like the whole art thing. I don't know. Tomorrow birthday stream again. It's not a birthday stream, but it is a special collaboration stream. We're gonna be drawing stuff, and I gotta ask them what they would like to draw, because I don't think I asked that yet. But yeah, that's something. Maybe we could go somewhere. Maybe now, you know. Maybe we could go somewhere. You know. I know it is pretty. It's not my birthday. It's not my birthday. Are you guys gonna draw birthday stuff for your birthday tomorrow? God damn it! It's not my birthday. I could fall asleep on my chair right now. Wait, can I recline it even lower? Oh, I can. Oh goodness. It's not my birthday! Damn it! Whee! Whee! I have the awesome chair! Woo! Whee! Okay. But thank you so much, Bryn, for the bits. I do appreciate it. I have the spinny chair. Whee! It just looks like I'm turning my head, but I'm spinning. It just looks like I'm turning my head. But yeah, I'm sorry this was a short stream. I'm just very tired. I'm very tired. So I'm gonna yeet you guys off to someone else. You'll be someone else's problem. Let's take a look. Have a nice sleep. It was a nice chat. Yeah, it was quite a short stream, but you know, I think it's okay, right? It's alright, right? It's alright, it's okay. Maybe it's okay. Let me take a look at who is live. There's so many people live. Alright. Is it over because I got here? Rude? No, I'm sorry. It's just because I'm very sleepy. I've been working hard today, and I think I'm gonna go sleep. I celebrated with ice cream with my mother today, but I just wanted to stream for a short time at least. And chat about stuff for a little bit. But, let's go to... We're not a problem. You're totally... I'm kidding. What is it trying to track? What is it trying to track my arm now? Why is my arm going through my titty? What are you trying to... Oh, it is tracking. How is it tracking when it's pointed at the other direction? That's weird. Okay, there we go. Yes, very EP villain. Goodness. Oh, let's take a look. There's so many people live. reading club with Sif and Kira. That sounds very interesting. That sounds very interesting indeed. I want to see that. Let's go take a look at Komori's stream. I want to see what this is about. Yeah, okay. On Twitch? Maybe it's like a say-so reading. Who knows? I'm sure it's not ban-worthy. Oh. Why did that not work? Hello? Oh, I had a space. Whoops. What? Why is it not working? Wait. Wait, is it not working? Raid Komori Mojo. Oh, thank you. Welcome. Goodness, are we stuck? Okay, there we go. Now it works. I'm sorry I'm ending my stream so quickly as soon as you come here, Slimer guy. I'm just very tired today, and it's just like you know what? I'm proud of myself. Today was a good day, and I hope you guys had a good day too. It's not my birthday. Don't say that. Okay, I don't want them to like be like, "Oh, happy birthday, Biddy," when it's not my birthday. God damn it. God damn it. Oh. But yeah, I love all of these VTubers. We have Kira, Sif, and Komori. They're all wonderful. Wait, does Komori have a new model? Have I not seen this? I haven't seen this. Oh, that's awesome. So birthday raid. Damn it. Also, join my Discord, everybody. We have good times in the Discord. Let me do the command real quick. Discord. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna start a little bit later. I wonder how I will survive, but I'm gonna start later tomorrow, like a lot later. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. And thank you for joining today. And thank you for being part of me and all that stuff. Goodbye, everybody. Wow!